Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to contact YouTube customer support. Now, first thing you should do is simply open youtube.com and log in into your account. And after logging in, you need to know that your YouTube channel is monetized so that you can actually contact the customer support. So now to contact the customer support, you should click on the top right corner on your profile icon, then click on help right here. And down below right here, you will find an option saying contact us. You just have to click on it. Once you click on it, here you will find this box in step one. You just have to tell them about your problem. Let's say that I'm going to type account login. And after that, it will show you some keywords. You can choose any one of them that is related to your problem. So I'm going to choose any one, then click on next step. Then you will have to scroll down till you find next step. Then it will show you this page in step three. You can choose whether you want to contact them in chat or through email. And it will tell you down below right here how many minutes will you wait to chat with them. And don't forget that you need to be monetized in order to contact them. And that's all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.